In this world, many people seem to work hard, yet still live in confusion. They keep running, but don't know where they're going. Like a ship without a course, the harder they row, the further they drift away. It's not that people are afraid of going slowly, but that they're afraid of going in the wrong direction. You're incredibly busy, yet you don't understand what kind of person you want to become. You keep changing, but you haven't truly chosen your direction. Taoism says, knowing when to stop leads to stability. It tells us that true change isn't about increasing effort, but about knowing when to stop. Only by stopping can you see clearly where you're headed. Many people's life struggles aren't due to a lack of effort, but rather because they misdirected their efforts. You think doing more will bring change, but you don't realize that sometimes being busy is just avoiding reflection. People with unclear directions are always digging a well in one place. Digging for years, the well is dry. Then they move to another place. Dig for years, still no water. It's not that you lack ability, you just haven't decided where to find the water. To change, first ask yourself, what do I really want? There will be no answer if you don't ask. If you don't want to, you forever live by borrowing other people's dreams. Taoism says, returning is the movement of the Tao. Weakness is the function of the Tao. This means, only by returning to yourself can you find strength. Seemingly gentle changes are never external actions, but rather inner awakenings. What do you truly want? Not to become what others expect you to be, not to make your life more glamorous, but what you are willing to strive for deep in your heart. When you are willing to face your true self, your direction will no longer be unclear. When you are no longer in a hurry to prove anything, you can truly choose what to do. A person with a clear direction is not in a hurry, because they know that every step is leading to the future they want. Even if it's slow, it's still progress. Even if you stumble, you're still getting closer. What you need is not endless action, but first, to give yourself a coordinate. Like water, go with the flow. Like the wind, move with its force. With a clear direction, effort naturally becomes easier. Changing your life is never a matter of a sudden decision, but rather a clear path, walked step by step. Life's transformation isn't about how much you do, but whether you're on the right track. You don't need to do more, you just need to do it more clearly. When the direction is clear, life naturally flows like water, widening, deepening, and becoming more free as you go. May you pause, understand yourself, and walk your own path in life.